This is the agenda for our course today. As I said earlier, we'll focus more on part 2, which is our practical hands-on session, where we'll create our project in T-code SEGW. Then we'll define the entity types and entity sets, which are nothing but the structures and the internal tables. We'll generate the runtime artifacts. We'll implement the DPC and MPC, that means the data provider class and the model provider class. And we'll also need to redefine the standard methods where we'll write a custom logic. We need to register and activate the OData service, and then finally we'll test it, debug it, play around and analyze our OData service. But practical is important, but you should also know a little theory and get used to the terminologies, because those concepts needs to be clear for anyone who works in OData service. And the concepts which we will learn in part 1 is this, where we'll give you the introduction of OData. What does it mean? How did that word come from? What is this client-server architecture? You must have heard what the word stateless means. You must also have heard RESTful. What are the advantages of OData? And why is OData called the ODBC of the web? And finally, why do we need OData?